If it doesn't break, sure.
Where do I hit it? Like on top or
However you think it's going to make it explode.
Can I go one more time?
Yeah?
It's not broken all the way.
No, it's not broken yet. We're good. So everybody back up. Everybody get out of the way.
Can I go after Grayson?
Okay, stop, buddy. Somebody else's turn.
My turn. My turn.
Okay, Grayson, come here, bud.
Then it's my turn.
Let Cody do it. I just want to throw it up.
See, you guys are supposed to have your bags now. This is when you need them to put the stuff in it. Because there's a whole lot of stuff in there. Okay, who else wants to go?
My turn.
Okay, Ethan's going to do one more whack.
And then me one more whack.
Buddy, it's pretty much done.